we will learn a new sound. It's th sound. In this session, we will learn the formation, some words for the sound, we will listen to the song, and then we will do some activities together. When we put the letter T and the letter H together, we make the sound th or v. Now let's do the action for this sound. Pretend to be a rude clown. Stick your tongue out a little for as in this, and further for as in thumb. Now let's sing the song and do the action.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the th?
Now we will learn some new words for th sound. Let's start. The first word is yes, that's right, it's number 3. 3. It starts with th sound. Next word is thin. Thin. Down, left, and cross. Down, up, and over. Let's read some words for th and v sounds. Let's start.
That.
M. A. Than. W. E. With. Then. Thick. E. 3. O. Moth. E. Thin. T. Ooh. Tooth. E. K. Think.
Activity number 2. Click the pictures that begin with th and v sounds. We have lots of pictures here with th and v sounds. First one is, it's a number. Yes, excellent. It's number 3. 3. And also we have number 13. 13. And this is throw. Throw. What about this picture? Yes, it's thumb. Thumb. And the last picture is think. Think. And this is the end of our session for today. Thanks for watching and see you later.